Splat. This package comes all the way from Justin in Texas up to Mitchell in Kansas. Justin, aka Herk Modelworks, has sent me a shop card. And he done a very good job of wedging it in there. I gotta pry it out with my favorite ruler here. And here we are, my very first shop card. I have no idea what to expect. Oh, there's words on the back. And since I went to school in Ireland, I'm not real good at reading cursive. From what I've been told though, it basically just says thanks for being a friend, supporting the channel, and there's some goodies in the box. On the other side though, we got his Nova and his Chevelle. And it's a little dusty because I'm a little behind on this. If you guys don't know, he actually got that Chevelle posted in the Model Cars magazine recently. Yeah, go check that out. As he had mentioned though, there is some goodies in the box. Definitely some goodies. Look at this air cleaner we got here. I really wish I had this around the time I built that square body. This thing is amazing. Yeah, what else do we got here? It looks we got an empty... Wait, hold on here. Ah, there it is. We got a flex fan assembly. A lot of these hot rods, they run flex fans, and I build a lot of hot rods when I'm now building Ferraris. I'm not sure of the scale on these, but in the real world, these scale from anywhere from 12 to 17 inches. And let's keep his shop card on top there. Looks like he also sent me some of his custom fuel filters. In one of his latest videos, he had talked about these. What these are actually electrical switching diodes. And what he did basically is he just painted them. And at this scale, man, they really look like a convincing fuel filter. Either paint them silver to look like a Mr. Gasket or a Holly fuel filter, or leave that orange in it to look like one of the glass filters. That's what he did with his, and it looks really good, you guys. And on this one here, I kept fighting with the package because it was in there kind of upside down, but it looks like it's a Holly Dominator carb or a Demon carb. I wasn't really sure because I haven't looked at a carburetor in probably 10 years. Yeah, fuel injection is the way to go these days, guys. Well, and I guess it tells us, but it's real fuzzy for some reason. Let me wipe off this camera here. Alright, yeah, that is a Holly Dominator carb. And weirdly enough, from what I could tell, this is cast metal. I don't know if that's zinc or aluminium, but man, that's awesome. Alright, so my voice is going to change now because I'm in a different room, different echo. But I kind of had to stop doing a voiceover mid-video there because some shit happened in my life, but I'm back now. Alright, with that disclaimer out of the way, he also sent us some, I believe, spark plug cable. You can never have too much of this stuff. Now, if I remember right what I was trying to do, I was trying to strip some of that coating off with my fingernail to see if this was a solid core wire, much like this stuff here. The solid core wire is the way to go, because when you bend it, it will hold its shape. As you guys just saw on that spool there, I have a lifetime supply of this stuff. What I did get from him though is some colors that I do not have on that spool. So thank you, Justin. This will get put to use, man, I promise you. Now next up is something I was really not expecting him. I wasn't expecting him to send me anything really. I was just super surprised that I got a set of his custom valve covers. Despite all of our Google searching and all the forums scouring, we cannot find anybody doing an authentic Mopar script valve cover. So Justin needed something, so he did what he did. He went and made himself some. Ooh, and what is this? A hair. Man, I got his DNA now and his signature on that shop card. Chaos. And to go with those valve covers, he also sent me some of the breathers he custom made for them as well. So, yeah, that's my first shop card. So as he was building his Challenger, he kept touching base with me, just throwing back ideas, going back and forth. I'm a hardcore Mopar guy, so that's kind of my domain, and I'm honored he reached out to me for my advice. And every time I talked to him, I kept thinking, man, I'm a Mopar guy. I don't have any old school Mopars that I have actually built. I brought it up to him, and he just said, do it. Actually, I think he said, do eat, as all excited like, with a bunch of E's in it. So I've been on the hunt, and I think I've found something. It's not going to be a Hemi, I know, but we got to use his valve covers. But Justin, thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you.